Do you have multiple people using the same Ubuntu computer? Or maybe you want to create a separate account for work, testing software, or simply improve your security by not using your main account for everything. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new user in Ubuntu 26.04 using both the graphical desktop interface and the terminal. We'll also look at how to give a user administrator privileges, switch between users, and remove a user if you no longer need the account. Let's begin with the terminal method. First, open the terminal and run this command. Replace Ken with the username you want. Enter your password, then Ubuntu will ask you to create a password for the new user. Next, Ubuntu will ask for full name, room number, work phone, home phone, other information. Most of these fields are optional. Simply press Enter to skip them. The account is now created. Let us switch to the new account. By default, a newly created account is a standard user account. It isn't a member of the sudo group, so it doesn't have administrator privileges. Instead, it belongs to its own user group. If you don't want this account to have administrative access, you can simply leave it as it is. This is the recommended option for regular users who don't need to make system-wide changes. To add the new user to the sudo group, you have to switch to an account with administrator privileges. To add the new user to the sudo group, run this command. Add the username at the end of the command. As you can see, the new user is now a member of the sudo group. You can now switch to the new user and start running sudo commands. Now let's look at the easiest method, using the graphical user interface. Open the app menu and just type user, then click on Add or Remove Users. This opens the user settings menu. Ubuntu locks these settings to prevent accidental changes. Click Unlock in the top right corner. Enter your administrator password. As you can see, the user we created earlier is showing up here. To create a new user, click on Add User. Now enter the full name, username, and password. To make the new user a member of the admin group, just switch on the toggle button. Ubuntu also lets you choose whether the password is set now or created the first time the user logs in. And that's how easy it is to create a new user in Ubuntu 26.04. Knowing how to manage user accounts is one of the most important Linux administration skills, whether you're using Ubuntu at home, in the office, or on a server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Ubuntu and Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.